Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a rectangle with a width x cm, length x plus 5. It also has an area of 60 cm square. Show the following quadratic equation. Alright, since I do know the width and the length, this tells me that if this is x plus 5, and the area is 60 cm square, then I would then be able to form an equation. X times x plus 5, length times breadth, width times length equals to the area. Area is 60. So when I multiply them out, and I minus 60 on both sides to give me equals to 0, because they want equals to 0. I have successfully shown this equation. And for part B, we now need to solve this equation, and the answer must be 2 decimal place. So in this case, right, I would straight away use the formula. X equals to negative b. So in this case here, you will then see me having this. If there's no number in front of this x, this is 1x squared. I will have a positive 5 and a negative 60 as my c. So I'm going to substitute into the formula. B squared minus 4ac negative 60 whole thing over 2a. A is 1. Alright, and from here I will have negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 265, the whole thing over 2. So I will have two answers, right? One is plus the square root, one is minus the square root. So therefore this will be the answer. Negative 5 plus square root 265 over 2. This will give me a value of, and this will give me 5.6394 to 5 sig fig first, followed by 2 decimal place. The other answer would be minus the square root 265, and I divide by 2. And this will give me a value of 6SF followed by 2dp. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.